shit backing up.
Peyton's car driving too.
Good.
Goddamn Dodge.
What's going on, B?
Oh! He's fucking trying to roast that shit. That's bad. Fuck this car. It's just right there,
It's
too.
obvious. I think it slid a little bit on the other side.
Go get that shit welded on.
That's what he didn't want to do.
Why? You get it welded at these two?
Ricer shit.
It's a Mustang now.
Still a GT, not a Cobra. See this right there?
Yeah. Oh, what? What the fuck?
Ricer shit.
Hey, like, have you...
I got.
Let's see.
Boy. I mean, I'm getting
Oh shit. Grandma cooked it up fatty style.
What the hell is this?
Almost fucking strip these bolts.
I didn't, like I said, I didn't put any of this shit on there. The guy, my uncle fucking did it.
God damn. You almost stripped like all of them.
Dude, they're pieces of shit. That's not even what I wanted to put on there in the first place. He insisted that we go and buy those.
Clean ass X-Bike though. He had a little leak back in the day.
It's a blown head gasket.
One size bigger than that?
Yes. Yeah, Layton told me. Exact size.
It's not in there.
Oh my
Is he the only two in there? Let's try and make the newer version or no? What's the
Because the
difference?
T45s come with the...
You have a T45, dipshit.
What? Nick?
Rev it.
Sounds better. Rev it or no?
Rev it again.
It's like higher up than the RPM.
I still kind of hear it.
One more. Again.
Rev it again! I like the sound of it, man. It sounds real nice and dirty.
Fucking nice when you drive it. The fucking tailpipe looks stupid as fuck. It's at the header.
Oh, really?
T-shirt.
Yeah.
What you don't want working on your car. You fucking throw shit at me, fuckhead.
Okay.
What about a 12?
Red. Team red. So I can only get to the front.
That's gonna be me.
Let's make this bitch into some blast pipes.
Do you hear me?
Hey, we're gonna.
Faded in the car, it's like a round one.
Can I get your picture? Where you at?
I'm pulling up, just make sure that you roll some. 4 a.m. driving in Rodeo. We out here doing donuts like tornadoes. Cruising, catch the sun in San Diego.
On the other side.
John, do you like making edits? Yeah. Fuck you.